What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. Today we're looking at Bitcoin on the 4 hour time frame and we'll go from there. So we had a bullish crossover here, very positive, but unfortunately the last time we had it here you can see it hardly lasted and you only came up to the 200. That's what it basically signifies. It's a bullish signal to the 200 EMA that you know you're going to hit. It's just when we hit it, are we going to fall back to the EMAs, hold them for support, and then go ahead and break this and head on higher? Or are we going to get rejected from it and continue our downtrend? Because look, you did a bullish cross to the 200, but as long as you're below the 200, you should be looking at sell signals. So bullish cross to the 200 minimal. From there, you had fake out, shooting star on the fake out. Then you started dropping, retest the resistance, and continuation, making lower lows and lower highs. Whoa. Yawn, guys, yawn. So yeah, you're back in this bullish pattern. The breakout target 69,000, very positive. However, there are a lot of things that we need to watch out for, which I mentioned on Twitter yesterday. Yesterday we had some 4 hour bearish divergence over this high, but every time we were up here on the highs of these wicks, we were forming some bearish divergence on the 4 hour. But you can see now, because we started wicking up, and we started closing lower, then obviously you lost that bearish divergence. So there's no 4 hour bearish divergence, but there is some daily bearish divergence that I showed on Twitter. So make sure you're following my Twitter, Louis_crypto. Again, guys, if you want to support this channel, then please go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and comment what you think is going to happen next with Bitcoin. I want to know your guys' opinions. That helps also the channel grow by getting comments down below. So since we broke out of this ascending triangle double bottom, we've got two targets, one for a smaller one bottom neckline, second bottom, or a larger one bottom neckline, second bottom. So the smaller one's target is about 40.6k and the other one's 43.2k. Now, just because they're targets doesn't necessarily mean they're going to be met, but that's what we're watching out for. If we come up and break this trend line, then yeah, we would be in a target to 69k. So not only just this, but we know if we go to the daily time frame now, there's a lot of resistance points ahead. You can see that we're coming into the 20 EMA right now. You didn't really touch it there, but you were feeling it and you were rejecting it, and you got some sort of doji going on here as support and resistance. So for me, there's no one in power at the moment because we're at support and resistance with a doji. We've seen this before, and when it's trapped in between support and resistance, it means no one's in power. A decision will be made. Basically, we will either break the 20 or get rejected, and this is what we're waiting for. The reason why we think we're going to get rejected is because of this bearish divergence I called on Twitter yesterday, and especially in my Discord group chat. So if you're interested in the Discord group chat, I'll let you guys know about the packages later on in this video. So just wait until then, basically. But yeah, to message me if you're interested, you have to go on my Twitter and then at me. So we have some bearish divergence here. We've got a high and a higher high. But this high on the chart is actually way up here, and you can see on the chart we've got lower highs. So on the RSI higher highs, but on the chart lower highs. This just tends to be bearish divergence. If you look in the past, you'll see that when you see that bearish divergence, you see that a move to the downside should play out, and obviously lower lows because you're in a downtrend. So yeah, that would coincide with us running into that 20 EMA. It's very funny how long it's taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. This is the 11th day it's taken, and we haven't even got a tap of the 20 yet. But look how many days it took to literally fall since this bearish candlestick pattern. 1, 2, 3, and it's taken 11 days to go about 50% of that drop. So I'm going to measure from here to the bottom, and you can see we've now retraced 50%. This is something called a dead cat bounce if we get rejected now. So technically speaking, you can come up all the way to the 618 up here. You can come up into this zone, and if you fail to get above this zone, we should continue down like this, and we already have our technical target ready. So basically what I'm trying to get at is if we get rejected by either 38.8 or 40.1k, then actually you should go and lose this one at 34k, and your technical target would be 29,700, because that is your 1618 target once you lose this low. Oh, my mistake, guys. Because we have a new candle, a higher candle, I actually need to drag this up, and actually your target will be quite a bit lower now. So yeah, 29.5k. Yeah, so that would be a technical target once you lose 34.2k. You can see that this is the golden pocket as acting as support below us. So technically speaking, as long as you're above this box, then we should actually see some bullish continuation. So that's what we need to see now, basically. Until then, we know that on the daily time frame, we have that bearish divergence, and we're running into that 20 EMA after 11 straight days of up. So something has to give. Will the 20 EMA give and we head up, meet our technical targets? Or will we roll over now, fall back outside of this falling wedge, which would actually be a very negative sign? But sort of what I want, basically, to buy in lower, go all in, go ham in and around this area, around the 30k area. Thank you guys for watching. Please wait until the end of the video to see my crypto packages, and I'll catch you in the next one.
Guys, these are my crypto packages. We offer three. The first one we'll talk about is the one-on-one mentorship. In the one-on-one mentorship, you get the crypto course and the signals chat for free until the top of the bull market. You will have the crypto course for the rest of your life. So for £650, you're getting one-on-one mentorship video call lessons every day for about an hour, 2 hours for a 1 month period. This we will look to finish all the lessons within that month period. If we don't, we can go over, but a maximum cut-off point at 2 months. Of course, we have the crypto course as well included. So after each one-on-one mentorship lesson, I would ask for you to obviously cover the course so you get everything knuckled down and you're confident moving on to the next lesson so we can cover that next topic. If you can't understand that topic, then we won't move on from it until you understand it. But again, we need to finish everything within a month, a maximum a 2 month period. So you don't need any prior knowledge for this. I will basically 10x your learning curve. You can already be an advanced trader or without any knowledge prior. I'm here to 10x your learning curve and to turn you into a self-sufficient trader who doesn't need to rely on any outsider knowledge. You don't need YouTube, you don't need my help. This is what the main point of the mentorship is. I'm here giving up my own time, my own trading time to help you and turn you into a self-sufficient trader. So if that's not enough, with all three together in the mentorship, then we can just do the 6-hour crypto course. It's much cheaper for £250, and you also get the Discord group chat for free included until the top of the bull market, but you will have the course for the rest of your life. Now, if that's not what you're interested in and you're just interested in the group chat, basically what we do here, I wouldn't call it signals basically, because again, none of this here is financial advice. It's all for educational purposes only, and that's why in this chat I'm basically feeling the sentiment of the market and basically posting it in the chat, whether I think the market is going up or down, where I think I would sell, where I think I'm going to buy, and of course when I take trades. This is what's included in the chat, and of course it's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. You can leave at any point, just let me know so we don't roll over the payment. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for listening. Again, if you're interested, then please at me on my Twitter, Louis_crypto, and I'll private message you as soon as I get your message. Thank you guys for listening and supporting the channel. Please like, subscribe, comment what you think is going to happen with the crypto next, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.